the real me. Told you all my feelings, and you gonna turn around and front like you don't feel me. I put that on my life that I ain't see this coming. Opened up my heart, I should've never let you come in, but I wish you well though.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another wig review and install. I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this hair and what I did to it. So let's get into the wig review. Okay, you guys, don't forget, if you're new to my channel, you guys, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you comment, like, and share with your family and friends, because remember, sharing is caring. And let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so this wig that I am wearing, you guys, I got this from Amazon, you guys, and the store that I got this from on Amazon is called Luxury Glam Hair. So I'm going to leave everything in the description box below if you want to purchase this wig, okay, after I finish telling you guys the deets, okay? So with this hair, you guys, I really do love it. It is a 24-inch, you guys, synthetic wig, and I'm not even gonna stunt on you guys. Like, you can tell this is a synthetic wig. You may, like, you can't tell from like the lace and all that, but you can tell from the texture. You can tell from the way it tangles and sheds. It sheds really, really bad, you guys. It also tangles really, like this wig tangles so bad. Like, yeah, it tangles so bad. But anyway, it does come with 3 combs. 2 on the side and 1 in the middle. It comes with adjustable straps, so you guys can adjust it to your head size and your liking and things like that. It was $39, probably like $40 with tax and all that. It is heat resistant fibers in this wig. I guess that's what the hair is, and the lace was medium brown, so it's really good. It was really a good color, and it was tinted and things like that. The wig does not come pre-plucked or anything like that. I did not pluck my edges at all. I may go back later on if I decide that I want to wear this wig again and pluck it. I didn't do anything to the middle part. I just put a little bit of my foundation inside the middle part, and that was about it. So like I said, this wig does shed, this wig does tangle, and yeah, it is 24 inches. But yeah, I mean, I do like this wig, but like I said, it tangles, and I can't fucks with that. Like, this is a wig that I cannot, like, to be honest, this is a wig that I cannot wear out and about long, because I'm going to need to have a paddle brush and my man to be like, babe, can you brush the back? Because y'all, this wig, look at it. And then it came with some short pieces. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't even know what this is. I don't even know what that is. So we're gonna spray that down because that just look ridiculous. But I do like the unit, but the hair itself, like the texture of the hair, like no sis, we can't be out here in these streets like that. So I would recommend that you guys wear this wig for like Halloween or something like that. But what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to cut it, then I will come back with a second review on this unit for you guys once I cut it into like a bob or something. Maybe if it's shorter, I can do a little bit more with it. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, all right. So yes, that is my short review on this wig. Stay tuned so you guys can see me install it. No, I'm probably gonna put that before this. Yeah, I'm gonna put that before this review or whatever. So hope you guys like it. I guess I'll be seeing y'all in the next video. Comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig too, y'all, because sis, the color is really pretty. It's like copper red, but I can't even get my fingers through the hair. So no, we ain't finna be caught in the streets like that, okay? So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, share with your family and friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video.